Hello, welcome to The Dish. I'm Natasha Ho, and today I want to talk with you guys about the spice saffron. Saffron is a spice. It's considered the most expensive spice in the world. It's also referred to as red gold because it is so precious. It comes from a flower. It is the pistils that are on the inside of the crocus flower. It has to be hand harvested, which is what makes it so expensive. And you may have bought saffron for a specific recipe and you have it sitting in your cupboard and you're like, what do I do with this precious gold that's sitting in my cupboard? How do I use it? So I want to share with you a couple ways that you can pair it with things that you may already be cooking in your kitchen. So the overall flavor of saffron is often described as bitter, kind of honeyed and grassy flavor that you get from saffron. So what does it work well with in your kitchen? Number one thing that saffron's known for pairing well with is rice. Rice goes really beautifully with saffron. Popular dishes like Indian biryani or Spanish paella rely on the flavor of saffron. So if you're making any kind of a rice dish or you're just making rice, saffron is a wonderful flavor to integrate because you only need a small amount and it will permeate that entire dish of rice that you have, and provides a wonderful flavor to rice dishes. It also pairs really, really nicely with earthy root vegetables. So you can pair this with a rub that you do on top of vegetables, whether you're going to roast them or saute them. It goes really wonderfully with vegetables as well. It also pairs really, really wonderfully with shellfish and fish in general. Seafood is another nice pairing. So you can use this as a marinade that you put on the outside of shellfish, or you can do like a beurre blanc sauce with the saffron. It'll pair really, really beautifully with shellfish as well. And the last thing that it pairs wonderfully with is also milk. So if you're doing any milk forward types of dishes or desserts, saffron is a wonderful thing that can cross the barrier from both being savory as well as sweet. So if you're doing anything that's kind of a pudding or custards, things like that are very milk forward, saffron is another flavor that pairs really beautifully with milk. So those are 4 ways that you can pair saffron with the things that you're cooking in your kitchen. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.